Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy hair combo. This really cute high short ponytail moment and dress to impress. So grab this hair. I'm just going to color it this same color here, but you can change it if you'd like to. Then go to updo and you're going to get this one in only bangs in that same hair color. And then we are going to go to feminine, and I'm just going to grab this hair. I think I might adjust the bangs later on, but let me grab this one in only bangs. Again, in that same color. I think I might position it a little bit more to the top like this, but you can leave it if you want to. Then lastly, we're going to use this item here, and we're going to just add a little, like a few adjustments. So for the X, we're going to have the same, actually, Y 0.68, Z at 0.72, and then we are going to have the rotation as normal, and we're going to scale it down to 0.41, and that's it. Super cute, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.